Hello everyone, this is Sheriff the Broker. We are right now in Beyoglu Piyalepasa project. Which is only 1 kilometer away from Taksim Square. So today we are going to explain you the Piyalepasa around. If you are looking for a place which is close to the central locations, Piyalepasa might be the right place for you to live as a residential purpose. Inside this project, there are 145 shops underneath. Some of them is already occupied. I see Fırın Sanatı there, Bebek underneath. You can walk around 1 kilometer inside these pedestrian areas of this project. And the project is constructed on 82,000 meters square land, 440,000 square meter constructible area, 1,000 apartment, which is already ready to live, and more than 50% is already occupied. So today we will walk around and go to our sample apartment in Piyalepasa. Let's go around. Siz de mi buradaydınız? You are also here. So right now we are in the sample apartment of Piyalepasa Residence. This apartment is basically 139 meters square gross size, 89 meters square net size, 2 beds, 2 baths, separated kitchen, and with the balcony as you see. What I like about these new residences, it's giving a very nice high ceiling, and it's having a more air in the apartment. The recessed lightnings on the apartment and the co-lightenings designed very well here. And here we have a nice TV setup. Of course, after 2020, no need to say, heating is under the floor. They put a split air condition over here. This TV setup has some wooden feature walls, some mirror details, some small shelves, and cupboards underneath. Of course, the apartment you will buy will not come with these, but you can do the same design for your own apartment. This size, what I see, is enough for a 2-bedroom sitting area, and here they planned this space for a dining area for 4 people. Nice picture art you can put on this wall, and it is getting a very nice daylight. We are in the middle of the day. From this space we are passing to the entrance hall. Over here we have the entrance door, cupboards for the jackets, shoes, full of mirror. The space is used very well, and it has of course the intercom system over here. And directly from the entrance door to kitchen passing is very good detail, because you are coming with the supermarket bags. You can directly pass to the kitchen. Kitchen is for 2-bedroom, a good space. I see a 3-bedroom smaller kitchen than this, so this is a good kitchen. What has affected me is all white. It's like a hospital place here. Top is white, cupboards are white, everything is white. But the design is specially made cupboards, and the ventilation system, you see the nice details are good settled inside the kitchen. And it's a 2-sided kitchen. On these kind of kitchen, mostly they put this side everything and this side is wall, but here from all the way it has the cupboards, cooker, aspiration ventilation system. This side it has the fitted fridge and oven also coming with the apartment, and the fridge of course coming with the flat. And here we have a nice French Romeo and Juliet balcony. It's making it possible to get a nice clean air inside this apartment. From the kitchen, we already explained the living space. We are passing to bedrooms. Between bedrooms and the living spaces, nice separated. We see here a nice gray lines wallpaper, and also another different point than the old apartments. The door heights are 2 meters 40 centimeters, which is good height for these kind of apartments. This room can be your children room or study work room or second bedroom guest room for your guests, and this bedroom is using this guest bathroom here. This is a vanity setup. Here wooden color has been chosen. Again, we have nice recessed lightnings and the cove lightnings, both of them used inside the bathroom. It's a small space but enough for this apartment. If we can close this door, I don't know. I would like to show, or you can show it on the videos, that here we have a shower setup. It's not a walk-in shower, but good space. All mirror here, and behind this mirror also we have the cupboards. And this is the master bedroom. For my opinion, master bedroom is not so big, but it is enough for this residential apartment in the center of Istanbul. They did a good setup that close to the window the bed is, and here they separate the enough space that it's possible for walk-in closets. So this separation is make it possible to arrange a walk-in closet over here, and from this space we are getting into master bathroom. Master bathroom is larger than the guest bathroom. It is not that much usual, but my opinion, it's a good idea because master bathroom is more important than anything for the apartment. From bottom to top, they use the real marble on the walls, and we have a nice shower over here with a waterfall setup. I like the colors, wooden details and the marbles and white details. So the apartment is pretty much like this. So from this point we will go out of the entrance of the residence, and we will show the entrance of the inside of the complex, green areas and some social facilities of the project. So today we made a tour of Piyalepasa project in Beyoglu, which is 1 kilometer away from Taksim Square. I like the shopping street here, which is giving a promising area for life inside the Piyalepasa project. I guess in 6 months to 1 year time, most of these shops will be occupied, which will give you an amazing life while you are living in your apartment. Also, even before shops are occupied, the occupation of the apartments are showing that the people are preferring to live in this location. So we seen today 139 meters square gross size, 89 meters square net size 2 beds apartment, which is a price of $475,000 in the residence block. They have also more affordable choice on the other apartment types, which has smaller sizes or larger sizes. You can contact us for these informations as well. Thank you for watching today. See you on the next episode. The broker is out.